To the Wealth Creation series, where we learn and grow together with one goal, the goal of creating wealth. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe button. We have a lot of news this week, so let's dive in. The Fed says it's going to start buying individual corporate bonds. In addition to the stimulus checks, keeping the interest rates next to zero, giving home loans to business and buying ETFs to keep the stock market on an upward trajectory. It is also going to buy individual corporate credit bonds. The Fed is doing everything in its power to keep the economy going strong and the markets kicking. We have seen a lot of action from Fed these last 3 months, even more so than the 2008 financial crisis, and this is why I'm bullish about the economy and I continue to accumulate stocks in blue chip companies with strong balance sheets. I continue to dollar cost average on the shares I have. On the next story, Business Insider reports that close to 800,000 people have created new brokerage accounts on three of America's top brokerage platforms since the coronavirus pandemic hit the US. It goes on to say, and I quote, new people are playing the markets at a time when things are so uncertain that hundreds of companies cancel their 2020 earnings guidance. There is no model that can predict what's about to happen to the economy or the market. Robinhood, TD Ameritrade, and Fidelity have reported a surge in the number of new brokerages accounts open. These people who have time due to the virus have got the stimulus checks and are using the money to gamble in stocks are thinking of making a quick buck. Not only they are pushing the markets higher and higher, but they're also taking riskier trades. Instead of leaving trading options to the pros, as a trader, you might get lucky and make money, especially in the markets which only seem to be going up and up. But trading with options is a lot riskier than just investing in stock market for the long term. Here is a story of a rookie trader who racked up 700,000 in debt. The person traded on the platform Robinhood. He was new to the investing game and according to the article he traded options. He kept losing money and went into a debt of 700,000. This person got so scared he took his own life because he did not know how he was going to pay back this amount ever. This is a real life example of how things can go bad fast. This story serves us as a reminder that trading stocks can have devastating real life consequences. This has perhaps never been more true when it comes to using borrowed cash to leverage positions in a stock market. Do not trade on margin and risk only what you're willing to lose or money that you don't need for immediate future. I've been in the stock market for over 8 years. Every day the market seems to surprise me, especially during these times of pandemic. This is the brokerage I use. It's called M1 Finance. It's a fairly new brokerage but a very fast growing one. I have attached a link below to my portfolio. You can click on the link and you'll be able to see my holdings I have and how I have made the allocations to different sectors. I feel it's a great vehicle for dividend investing. There are many styles of investing like dividend investing, growth investing, day trading, and more. What I do is a mix of both. The main goal of my portfolio is for me to get side income. My main focus are dividends, but I also have a few growth stocks in there. However, at any given time, I do not want my exposure of my portfolio towards growth stocks, that is, non dividend paying stocks, to be greater than 10%. One of the best features I like about M1 Finance is sector wise allocation. You can create your own sectors with a pie. It is like creating your own fund with the stocks you like and the amount of exposure you are comfortable with. You can click on each pie and view my stock allocation too. You can invest in fractional shares and you can invest as little as $10. I want the viewers of this channel to know that I'm not affiliated with M1 Finance in any ways. I just use this as my brokerage. I'm just here to share my journey, help people answer some questions about creating wealth and make friends. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Please leave a comment on how I can improve my videos and what would you like to see in future on this channel.